Why do you have your profile on a hookup site? Huh?
My God. My God. Nikki, did you actually register yourself on the hookup site? Really?
With her damn name! Her actual name! Her actual photo! Why is she so dumb? Hey, don't call me that.
Shut up! Why are you bent on bringing disgrace and tarnishing the family name, Nikki? Why? What have we not done for you, Nikki? What have we not done for you, Nikki?
What have you done for me, Mom? Truly, nothing I do ever pleases you or Daddy here. All you do is compare me to my big sister. You ignore my needs and speedily attend to hers. You cut me off my monthly allowance. You seized my car key. Why? Because you people want me to worship you. Yes. But guess what, Mom and Dad? I will survive any which way I deem fit. So all of you, watch out. Excuse me, Mom.